Our message from Archangel Michael, Gabriel, and Raphael is there's opportunities and inspiration in the air. Stay positive even as new emotions come up within you. If you feel stuck, look for better options. There are better options. No, we're not ready yet. We're still busy working on claiming our independence. We're juggling things from the past and the new. But things are going to come to an end and we're going to have a better timeline of peace. We've let go of things that don't align with ourselves and we're still busy working on that, but we're getting there. And the universe is providing us with a nurturing, loving, guiding thing for ourselves and for all that is around us. This is giving us strength to stay aligned with our paths. And the angels want you to know they're with you. They come in a form of helpful people as well. And transformation is beautiful. We're going to be stable as the transition happens with the universe and with planet Earth. We need to bring a gentle touch. And then the angels want you to know something about is going to happen in the next few weeks, which is going to bring a lot of happiness and reason for celebrations. Our last card under the pack is forgiveness. And the angels want you to know just stay aligned with your goodness. This is going to bring you open doors to happiness, opportunities, joys. You can see how bright our futures are going to be. Thank you.